Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to the best Garmin watches of 2025. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or someone who loves staying connected while tracking their health, Garmin has something for everyone. This year, Garmin has pushed the boundaries once again with cutting-edge features, sleek designs, and advanced performance tools. From hybrid smartwatches to rugged outdoor companions, we'll be breaking down the top models, their standout features, and which one is the best fit for your lifestyle. If you're in the market for a smartwatch that combines style, durability, and unmatched functionality, you won't want to miss this. Make sure to stick around to find out which Garmin watch takes the crown this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. The Garmin Vívomove trend blends analog charm with modern fitness technology. Its Qi wireless charging sets it apart, offering a hassle-free way to power up. With a 40.4mm sleek hybrid design, it appeals to those who prefer subtle elegance over sporty aesthetics. The customizable display via the Garmin Connect app lets users access essential stats like steps and heart rate, while haptic feedback ensures smooth interaction. Features like Move IQ detect activities automatically, though its reliance on a connected phone for GPS might deter some users. The 5-day battery life and wellness tools, including body battery and incident detection, make it ideal for daily use. Contactless payments and period tracking add convenience, but at a higher price than its predecessor, the Vívomove Sport. However, its polished design and wireless charging justify the upgrade for those seeking a fashionable, functional fitness tracker. Number 4. The Garmin Forerunner 165 is a standout entry-level running watch priced at $299.99. With an AMOLED touchscreen and sleek design, it offers a polished experience for budding runners or those upgrading from older models. Notable features include the Morning Report, which provides insights into sleep and recovery, and nap detection for added wellness tracking. Runners can create courses in the Garmin Connect app and sync them to the watch for easy navigation. The adaptive training plans tailor workouts to individual recovery and performance, making it a reliable training partner. With excellent battery life and a durable build, it's great for daily wear. While it lacks some advanced tools for elite athletes, it's perfect for those seeking functionality and value without breaking the bank. Number 3. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar excels as a rugged smartwatch for adventure seekers. Its 50mm design offers bold aesthetics and durability, with unlimited solar battery life and optimal conditions. Even in low light, it delivers 40 days in smartwatch mode and 60 hours in GPS mode. Standout features include an LED flashlight with a strobe effect and multi-band GNSS for precise navigation. The obstacle course racing mode adds versatility, and its 10 ATM water resistance ensures reliability in various conditions. However, the unchanged 176 by 176 display prioritizes durability over resolution, which may not appeal to everyone. Priced at $449.99, it's a top choice for adventurers, though casual users might find its size overwhelming. Number 2. The Garmin Venu 3S masterfully combines sleek design with comprehensive fitness tracking. Sporting a compact 41mm case and a vibrant AMOLED display, it delivers a premium look and feel. Its wellness features, including an advanced sleep coach and unique wheelchair-specific metrics, make it a standout in inclusivity. Battery life is another highlight, offering 7 to 14 days depending on usage, surpassing many competitors in the same price range. While the Venu 3S lacks cellular connectivity, it supports notifications, making it suitable for users prioritizing fitness and wellness over full smartwatch functionality. With Garmin's hallmark body battery and advanced health tracking features, this device offers exceptional value for fitness-focused users. However, the Venu 3S leans toward a premium price tag, which might deter casual users. Despite this, its blend of style, battery life, and specialized health tools makes it an excellent choice for those serious about health and fitness tracking. Number 1. The Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED elevates the Fenix lineup with its premium design and cutting-edge features. Available with AMOLED or solar charging displays, it caters to both aesthetics and functionality. The watch now includes a built-in mic, speaker, and dive capabilities up to 40 meters, expanding its versatility for outdoor and aquatic adventures. Serious athletes will appreciate its advanced sports analytics, training tools, and upgraded navigation features, which provide precision in challenging environments. Its impressive battery life ensures you stay powered during long expeditions. However, the Fenix 8's steep price might push some users toward older models like the Fenix 7 Pro, which still deliver robust performance. Despite its limited app ecosystem compared to mainstream smartwatches, the Fenix 8's focus on outdoor functionality and high-quality tracking solidifies its position as a top-tier choice for adventurers and elite athletes. And these are the best Garmin watches of 2025. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.